Hello. Uptown Swing. Tempo, 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 tempo,
Level 3.
level
2. Level 2 tempo. This is Val, this is Peter. We did Frankie Sixes a whole bunch, and we kind of did it like better. You know what I mean?
Yeah, we worked on like technique that will hopefully make it better for you to dance it faster.
Yeah, feeling. So instead of going like rock step, boom, boom, and just sort of doing
Chunk,
my
chunk,
arms,
chunk.
I actually like change my weight. I go, hey, hey, that
continue.
gives a little feeling there. And when I give that feeling, we get to this potential boinginess.
Boing. Yeah, and followers, we talked about how
Show it over here.
you want to go with like all of you, not disconnect into pieces, give up the shoulder or do a fake rock step. It's like all this side of you goes.
Yeah, and I think many followers were sort of like doing that as a sort of Tai Chi exercise to pull on their
yeah.
leaders and see about
And
things.
like sometimes it's this, sometimes
you
it's
just
that.
like take this whole side of you and take a nice big bouncy step that way. And we really found something. It doesn't have to be perfect, but something different, like boing. We wanted that boing for this moment. So let's do it kind of fast with the move and the boing. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, ha, boing. Not too much turning. Hey, and we also don't have to take triple steps the whole time if we don't want. We have to keep our bodies moving though. So even if our feet stop, our bodies keep going.
This feels the same almost.
Ba, ba, boom, boom, ba, ba, boom, boom, ba, ba, boom, boom. Still got that bounce. Hey, hey, that's it. More next week.